How to save TikTok videos to gallery. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can save TikTok videos to our gallery, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically save our TikTok videos to gallery, basically the problem here is quite simple. If you open up TikTok and then let's say there's a certain video that you found out that maybe you want to download it. So on the right hand side you can see different tools. You'll also find the share button there. You can actually tap the share button there and you'll find the option called save video instead. So you can just go ahead and tap on the save video option, and when you tap on the save video option, that particular video will now get successfully saved to your device. So right here you'll be able to actually notice. It might take some time, by the way, depending upon the internet connection, but basically after you select that, you will be able to go ahead and then save the video. So this way you'll be able to save TikTok videos to gallery. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.